Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Want to Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another tool medley. Today we're going to be cleaning up 3 different tools and get them back into service. So I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well, hopefully you guys know what's going on here from the thumbnail and the intro, but we are going to be doing another tool medley. This is going to be an ongoing series on my channel. I do this anyway every single day, so I might as well film a little bit of it. A couple of videos here and there, sprinkle them out throughout the year, you know. This one is a Westcott from the, I want to say Keystone Manufacturing Company. It's so scrungy, I can't even read it. But there is a pin right here. We're going to have to pop that out. Hopefully we don't run into too much problems with that, so we can get the thumb screw adjuster out of there and we can do a proper cleanup on this. So fingers crossed we don't have issues with that. This is a HP 210 from Diamond Tools. I've never seen a pair like this, so I'm quite eager to get these cleaned up and put in my Diamond tool collection. So this is kind of cool. I'm happy about this. This is a Blue Point soft blow. We're going to get this thing cleaned up, get all the funk and gunk off the handles. The head's not mangy, but it's real cloudy. So I think this thing's got a bit of the glaucoma going on here. But other than that, I don't know what I can do to try and make these clearer. I'll try some waxes and some polishes and stuff like that, and we'll see what we can do. I say we jump on this first and see how it goes. First I'm going to scrape the handle. There isn't much varnish on this from what I can see or feel. Most of it's just dirt. And this thing is scrungy, man. All right, nice and clean. Gonna hit a little bit of sandpaper on this, get off any little rough edges that still might be on there. I don't think there's gonna be much. I went over it pretty good with that utility blade. And that's just dirt and a little bit of wood shavings. There wasn't much lacquer on there at all. I'm gonna give this a quick sand. This is that crappy Hercules paper. I'm trying to use this up so I can get more. But I'm just gonna hit this really quick with some 600. Like I said, it's really smooth anyway. There's no big gouges in there or nothing like that, so this 600 will make quick work of it. Well, any other 600 would make quick work of it. Ooh, nice and smooth. All right. So what I'm going to do is throw this on the wire wheel real quick. Try and get a little bit of a cleanup on there. Then I'll hit it again with some sandpaper around where the handle meets the head. And then we can see what we're going to do with the handle. I'm trying to figure out a good color for this. So let me go hit this on the wire wheel. I'm not going to show you that because there's going to be a lot of wire wheeling with these. So be right back. Alright, well we got that cleaned up pretty good. It is a Blue Point. I'm quite happy with that. Once I get it fully cleaned up, I'll give you guys all the info that's on there. I'm going to try this number 7 polishing compound to put on the vinyl here to see what happens. I don't know if it's going to work. I really don't. But it's not going to hurt to try, right? Unless it melts it completely off. That'd be my luck, right? Well, to be honest with you, I think it's working. A little bit. Wow, I could totally live with that. That's not so bad. It's a little cleaner. Definitely a little bit cleaner. I am, wow. Yeah, I'm surprised. All right, let's get a stain on this handle. I don't know, what do you think? Give me a second here, guys. I'm gonna go find a stain and we're gonna get ready. All right, guys, I chose my favorite, Natural 209. Very light. This is gonna allow all the beautiful color of the wood itself and the grain to just shine through. I've been using this stain a long, long time. It's my favorite, utmost favorite stain. Look at that, look how beautiful the handle is. That is sweet. We're gonna let this soak in, absorb up as much of that stain as possible. Then I think we're gonna go over it with some wax. Preserve it. Here we go. Nice protective coat on there. It's in good shape. The head's cleaned up pretty good. Quite happy with that. All right, this one's ready to be used. That's nice. Set that off to the side. Do I even try and start with this one yet? I just have a sneaky, suspicious feeling that this thing is going to fight me the whole time. So I say we jump on these. Figured out what this little booze wrench is good for. Taking these off. It even hangs on to it. That's it. Those are broke down. Well, I say we throw this stuff on the wire wheel. Alright guys, so hopefully this is going to show up. You can see all the chrome is peeling off there. It's real scratchy and nasty. I I got a used 120 on my 1x30, and we're gonna do what we can to try and get this funky chrome off here and get it cleaned up the best we can. So get the excess oil off these. All right, well, these are the diamond pliers. Hopefully that can show for you. They are not perfect by no means, but at least the flaking off chrome is not going to slice your hand open. We took all the chrome off these, brought them down to bare metal. I just got done oiling them. I was going to buff these pliers, but you know what? I think they look pretty rugged and rough the way they are, and I kind of want to keep them that way. So again, these are only for display purposes, so, but they're fully functioning. It's just I've never seen this pair before, and now I got them. I just want to put them in my collection. So all right, that's that. Next, we're going to start with the little wrench here, little 6-inch wrench. I hope that I can pop this pin out. To be honest with you guys, I'm a little worried about it. So we'll throw it in a vise and see what happens. Give me a minute to get set up. So I think what would benefit me here the most would probably be bite it on the side here. Make sure that the wheel is still free. Tighten her up a little bit with the shirt in there. Then we'll try and get a punch right on top of that. See if we can't drive it straight down. This punch is too big. Yeah, it did move. Did move. So I want to put one little drop of blaster on there to see if it'll penetrate a little bit. Another little shot in there. Then we're just going to let it sit. And once it's all wire wheeled, then we'll throw it in some evaporust and we'll pick this video up tomorrow. Alrighty, put some evaporust up in here. This is used evaporust. Put the little wrench in there and let it do its thing until tomorrow. That'd be that. See you guys tomorrow. Alrighty. That's the following day. See how this wrench is looking, huh? Can't get the stuff out of there, it's all slimy. Well, I probably should have used a white rag. That's not a good representation. Dark background with a dark wrench. Yeah, that cleaned up rather nice. Of course it's going to need some more wire wheeling, but we'll get these all cleaned up, all these bits and pieces wiped down and thrown on the wire wheel. Alright guys, well, I did a little bit of filing on there. You can see where it's nice and clean now. There was quite a large burr right here on the inside of the jaw. And right here on the very back tail end of it. But look at that, it slides good now. There's no real slop in it, so alright. I did feel a sharp edge somewhere and I don't know where it was. Oh, right here on the back. Let me go hit that on the fiber wheel real quick. Much better. Now there's no Sharpies on there. I did clean up a little bit inside here on the jaw. It's not perfect by no means, but I did want to get the little rough marks off there. So it closes, and it's fairly tight now. I'm quite happy about that. It's a lot tighter than it was. Originally it was about like that. So we got like a 32nd of an inch closer to complete closure. So not too bad. I do need to straighten the pin out a little bit. I got a little overzealous taking it out. So let me try and straighten that out right quick. See if that will be in frame. Close. A little bit of adjusting for you guys. Well, shit, just rolled right out the shop. Instead of a soft blow, you go with a ball peen. Try and find where the bend is on this. It's so faint. There it is, right there. Is that it? Or is that me just being stupid, holding it wrong? Nope, there it is. Got it. There she is, nice and straight. Little tap did it. Let's get you spun back to the project. Alright, well, just that quick little tap, that did that. That's perfect. Let's grab the oiler. Want to run a little bit of a drizzle in there. Not much, doesn't really need it. Everything else is going to be oiled up, so I say not much, and look, came flying out all over the place. That's nice. I do like that. thumb wheel. Roll that around in that extra bit of oil there. This is always the hard part, I think. Getting everything lined back up. Alright guys, well there it is. This is the little 6-inch Westcott from the Keystone Manufacturing Company. She operates pretty good, quite happy with that. You know, not bad. Number 76, 6-inch. Cool. Alrighty guys, well this is it for the tool medley. Had quite a lot of fun doing this today. This is the Blue Point little soft blow hammer. The handle came out super silky smooth. We stained it, we coated it in wax, cleaned the metal, cleaned the vinyl. Hopefully you guys can read the writing on there. Hopefully it shows up for you. I like this a lot. It's going to go nice with my other soft blows. This is the Diamond HP 210. I've not seen this model before. I was super stoked to get them. They were in really bad condition when we got them. All the chrome was peeling off. They were rusted up real bad. And yeah, I'm quite happy with the ending result. So these will look pretty nice in my diamond collection, and I'm happy to have them. So quite cool. Then the little Westcott Keystone Manufacturing Company. This is a 6-inch number 76 out of Buffalo, New York, USA. Cute little wrench. Came out pretty good. She operates all right. Quite happy with that. It still sticks in one or two little spots. I'm still not sure why. Maybe it's got something to do with the pin that goes through there, but there's nothing to hold it up. Right there's the sticky spot. I don't know why. Anyway, it works pretty good. And it's just going to be a wall hanger anyway, so. But yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this tool medley. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you guys next week with another video. Bye.